How to add a connection from Tradify's mobile app. Easily bring in subcontractors and external users into your Tradify jobs with Tradify Connect. The Connections feature allows you to book, accept, decline, and edit appointments with subcontractors. To add a connection on mobile, head to your scheduler. Select the blue plus in the bottom right corner to create an appointment. To add a connection, select Staff and Connections. Now select Add Staff or Connection. Select Add Connection. Enter the email address of your desired connection and select Add. Now, you can select this connection and your other staff and connections to schedule an appointment. Simply use the checkboxes to select your desired personnel, and when you're ready, hit Save. Any connections on this appointment will be notified, as well as receiving an invitation email.